Henrietta and the entourage around. We have the opening prayer. Can we have the opening prayer by our Imam Misra? Musa Sallah. Imam Musa Sallah, please. We are about to commence the program. Thank you. Good to see you around, Madam Henrietta and the entourage.
الله لا إله إلا هو يقول لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم وسوى له الجميع يا الله ما بين أيديهم ولا يسير يخص السماوات والأرض ولا يجيه زمن ولا جي ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة وقنا عذاب النار ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة وقنا عذاب النار ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هب لنا من لدنك رحمة وهب لنا من لدنك فرج اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد الفاتح لما روى الخاتم لما سبق ناصر الحق بالحق والهادي إلى صراط المستقيم وعلى آله حق قدره ومقداره العظيم إن الله صلى الله تعالى عليه وعلى آله وصحبه وأزواجه وذريته وسلم تسليما سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Amen. Thank you, Ya Imam. Mosibe, please, wawen hedita den pour nanen ka halate ko, please. Meden nyagom pour hedita don, please, ka halate ko pour wawen en fo nande. Please, Mosibe. Thank you, Ya Imam, for that opening prayer. As in the Quranic allusion, that of no gathering is going to be fruitful when Allah's name is not mentioned. So this is why we were able to invite our able Imam at least to give us an opening prayer. So thank you so much, Ya Imam. Away from that, we have our Alkalo Misra. Can we have our Alkalo Misra, Baba Salah? Baba Salah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. En calminma Holland Foundation naɓe en arsi Holland Foundation ɓe calmina no feewi ɓe mbiya bisimilla maɓe e saare he eyo eɗen calmina kadi hono direct mo Mr Ba mo salmini no feewi eɓe duwaɗe ɓe ñaague duwal kadi en calmina honorable Aliou Balde heɓe o abbi fof ɓe mbiye bisimilla maɓe eyyi direct kadi heɓe o arde ɓe fof kala koɗɗo gaɗo ɗo on mbiya bisimilla mon e misira machallah on calminama no feewi eɗen calmina hono jelel saji ɗi kadi ɓen ɓe mbiye bisimilla eyo eɗen calmina kadi noon kadi misira ha Sumbundu ha Seeno Engele ha Sare Moussa fof en calminna dal kabada fof en calminma e mbiya bisimilla maɓe enen kolla Holland Foundation weltare men nde e maɓe MRC Holland Foundation darde ɓe darinde e leydi Gambia darde ɓe daranide ha ari arti he LRA darde ɓe daranide ha ari arti e misira eyyi ɗen ɓe jarno beteno wona seeɗa eyyi wallahi ɗen belti ɗen ɓe jarna bisimilla mon on jarama bisimilla mon e misira jarama assalamu aleykum wa rahmatullahi taala wa barakatuh
Diallo wona baldude ko Diallo
e moɗo e o ko noon kay dayre to a jaafoɗami wanmo balden ande ko Diallo e wanmo balden naajo kono ko Diallo eyyi dayre to jaafoɗa ɗon ko wasgo famde waɗi a jarama Diallo jeeri Diallo mo jalantamo ɗo a jarama bisimilla mon ɗen calmina ticcaɓe ɓe kadi fof ɓe calmine en calmina kadi hono sukaɓe school ɓe joni on jima onon sukaɓe school misira ko mbaɗani ɗen ko kala mo waɗana fellide he jangde jangga ha ko jora ɗon comme ni noon jaru taɗa fellide he jangde o mere darna ɗum ko ha jeeni yeeso adi mbaɗeɗen ɗeɗo oɗo ni fellite e jangde sukaɓe misira ɓe sukaɓe caeɗe fof ɗo ha Sare Moussa fof tuɗu ɗum sukaɓe kabaɗa fellite he jangde Allah waɗa suudu e barke bambo o poli mofton bisimilla mon o wiye bisimilla ma ko bisimilla mo non fof on jarama on jarama
Thank you, our able Alcalo. He's acknowledging the presence of everyone around, from Madam Henrietta, the teachers, students, and everyone, the parents at large. He also reiterates that yes, such a massive edifice has been built inside this one. So it's high time for students, parents, and everyone to embrace such a huge achievement. So thank you so much, our Alcala, for that wonderful remark. Away from that, I will welcome my able boss in his courtesy that I am able to work at MISERA Basic Cycle. His courtesy cannot be gone over enough. So I welcome you, Mr. Principal, to come around this, give us a statement about the school place. He served such a solace during my time in MISERA. So can we give him a round of applause, please? We can all the MISERA Basic Cycle staff can acknowledge his courtesy. So thank you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The sole sponsors of this magnificent project in Amsterdam, MRC Holland Foundation, National Coordinator in the Gambia, Madam Henrietta Sonko, the Regional Education Director, Mr. Momodu Jalo, the National Assembly Member for Jaro West, Honorable Aliou Balde, staff of MRC Holland Foundation here present, the staff of MISERA Basic Cycle School here present, the students of MISERA Basic Cycle School, the Alcalo of MISERA, Sare Musa, Sumbundu, and all other Alcalos here present, the Imam of MISERA, and all other Imams here present, VDC chairs, SMC members, Vice Principal, MISERA Basic Cycle School, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today marks truly a momentous occasion as we gather to celebrate the grand opening of our new school. It is with great pride and excitement that I stand here to deliver this speech on this auspicious occasion. Today, we are not only here to witness the physical opening of a new building, but also to inaugurate a new chapter in the lives of our students, in the lives of our educators, and the entire community. This new school represents a beacon of hope, knowledge, and opportunity for all to walk through its door. My administration is committed to creating an enabling environment where all will strive for the realization of their fullest potentials. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as we embark on this journey together, let us reflect on the profound impact education has in shaping the minds of the future. This school is more than just brick and mortar. It is a place where dreams will be cultivated, talents will be nurtured, and leaders will be born. To the students, I urge you to embrace this school as a place where you can strive for excellence, explore your passions, and unlock the full potentials. Remember that education is the key to unlocking limitless opportunities and building a better tomorrow. I solemnly urge you to seize every opportunity that comes your way, to embrace challenges and never stop learning, growing. You are the livelihood of this new school. It is your passion, enthusiasm, and dedication that will define its legacy. To the educators and staff, let us recall on our vision, which aims at transforming this place as a center for moral, academic, and professional excellence. This new school stands as a testament to our unwavering commitment to providing quality education and fostering a nurturing learning environment for our students. As we inaugurate this state-of-art facility, we also embark on a journey filled with endless possibilities, boundless opportunities, and limitless potentials. I commend you for the dedication, hard work, unwavering commitment to guide and inspire the next generation. Your role in shaping the minds of young people is invaluable, and the influence you have on the students will resonate for now and posterity. As we inaugurate this new school, let us reaffirm our commitment to creating a nurturing and inclusive learning environment where every student feels valued, supported, and empowered to succeed. Let us foster a culture of curiosity, creativity, and collaboration that prepares our students not just for academic success, but also for a life of meaning and purpose. With these cutting-edge classrooms, innovative technology, and the dedicated educators, we aim to cultivate a community of curious minds, critical thinkers, and compassionate individuals. To the sponsors of this magnificent edifice, the people of Kabada are very much excited because this is an area that existed for centuries without having the opportunity to have senior secondary education. So we are very much grateful. The impact you've made and are still making in the lives of Gambian children is highly appreciated. The children, who are the cream of the society and the hope of humanity, feel empowered by these magnificent structures. The memories that have been created by your philanthropic gestures will keep ringing and not sinking in the minds of Gambian people. This school is not just a building. It is a place where dreams take flight, where minds are enriched, and where the futures are shaped. Your foundation is undoubtedly a clear testimony of the greatest philanthropist this country has ever experienced. In conclusion, I extend my profound and deepest gratitude to all who have made this day possible. The visionary leaders, the tireless educators, and the supportive parents, and also our diligent students. Together, let us embark on this exciting new chapter with hope in our hearts, determination in our spirit, and commitment to excellence in all that we do. I thank you all for your kind attention.
thank you, our able principal, Mr. Baji. Thank you so much. Madam Hendriata, to add on to what my boss said, we would be an ingrate if we did not thank you for such a kind gesture. So once again, we are saying thank you for building us such a massive edifice. So thank you so much. And again, this is going to be a fountain of knowledge for us. Not only a massive building, for only beautifying the environment or whatsoever, but again, like I said, to reiterate on that, we are going to see this as a fountain of knowledge. We, the students, the teachers, everybody, and even the village at large. So thank you once again. Away from that, like we the Fulash commonly say, Fijindaro Atasobe. Yes, so we like to have a short entertainment by the cultural group here that are going to give us a short entertainment at least. Because like we believe in our Fulash society, the director can tell that Fijindaro Atasobe, he knows very well. So the cultural group, you are welcome on stage. Hey, you're saying happy guy in the around the one and cultural dance. But Chosan, when the Holy Right Chosan, so you are welcome.
I think it's because it's only this time they are.
Jallo.
Who is the leader?
Fernando.
Can I see him?
Yeah. You are here.
Nimko, guys, 5 minutes.
Wow.
Thank you so much for that brief entertainment. Thank you. Yes, Mr. So and the students, thank you so much. Okindiren fiala purwawe nande, please. Okindiren emosi purwawe nande kahante go, please. Yes, like I said, thank you. As a lecture a teacher, I believe. We believe there is no problem with entertainment. Because as some psychiatrists always put it, that yes, we all build castles in the air at times. But then the problem comes when we don't know our limitations of that entertainment offer. So thank you so much for that wonderful entertainment. Away from that, I would like to invite on stage an erudite scholar of this region. That is none other, our able director, Mr. Jallo. Can we give him a round of applause, please? Yes. Under his courtesy, we are working and then having a room for improvement. But then again, it is him that we can hail all the time. So, Mr. Jallo, you are welcome on stage, please. Our able director. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair of this important occasion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. The chairman of the ceremony, the governor or his representative, the Honorable National Assembly Member for Jara West, Honorable Aliou Ba, Alkalo and Imam of MISERA, SMC Chair and members of the Mothers Club, the coordinator of the MRC Holland Foundation, Dr. Henrietta and her team, Mohamed Jaze, contractor and team, principal Mr. Baji and teachers, school children, Alkalolu and community members of Kabada and its surrounding communities, representatives of MOPSI, that is from the communication unit, staff of Red 4, head teachers, principals, teachers of other schools, the media and the invited guests. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you all. Good evening to you all. Today is an important day in the history of education in this region, as we are not only witnessing the inauguration of 12 classrooms, 10 rooms for teachers, 12 toilets, magnificently built by Bajamba Construction, funded by our most reliable partner, MRC Holland Foundation, through the coordination of its always visible coordinator, Madam Henrietta Sonko, through the invisible hands but always present through its action, that is the MRC Holland Foundation. It is a history unfolding as the building we are about to inaugurate will pave the way for the first senior secondary school in Kabada since independence. Master of ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to explain why I call the MRC Holland Foundation the most reliable partner of the Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education. From 2020 to date, that is from 2020 to 2024, in this region alone, they have intervened magnanimously in 27 schools, which they built from scratch to finish. Over the period, they built 336 new classrooms, 92 offices, 30 boreholes, 350 toilets, and 222 teacher rooms, fitted with 195 solar panels. The intervention in this region alone qualified them to be called the most reliable partners, talk less of what is being done in other regions in this country. So, Madam Henrietta, thank you with your team. We are really grateful and we remain grateful. The provision of facilities does not only provide space and does access, it makes the learning environment conducive and therefore enhance the quality we all yearning as a country. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me also to thank the senior management of MOPSI for partnering with this wonderful partner. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, I want to seize this opportunity to assure the MRC Holland Foundation that as a ministry and a government, we will endeavor to do our part by providing teachers and all other required resources for teaching and learning. And we would also ensure that the building we are about to inaugurate is maintained. Now, the community of Kabada, particularly those of MISERA, while I want to sincerely thank you for providing this land for this wonderful school, please take ownership of the facility. Please enroll your children and retain them in school to complete, particularly our girls. Our girls should complete their education. With this, I want to thank you for all your kind attention. Mr. Chair, ladies and gentlemen, I want now to turn to Pulaar. Assalamu alaikum musidɓe Kabada, mi salmini onon fof debbo e gorko. Mi salmini député moɗon o, mi salmini jargaji mon ɗi, mi salmini contracteur on, kala gonɗo ɗo mi salmini ɗum. Hande ko weltare ko yettere Allah, par ce que eɗen uddita school mo gandanɗa hoore ma ko o jibinanta en senior secondary school Ido e Tundu Kabada. Nden noon en jetti Allah hande. Caggal yettude Allah, muna on yiɗi resnude kongi seeɗa. School ko yimɓe wurnata ɗum. School koko toppitte. Nden noon ngaren toppiɗoɗen school men. Hanki ko sooma jahannoɗen hakkunde meɗen e sooma ko kilométre aji 6. Kono se en daari policy education o, laamu Gambia wi ɓe jiiɗa suka yaha ko ɓuri kilométre aji 5 pour senior secondary school. Nden noon si school o wuurat mo wona school, il faut ka tinnoɗen sukaɓe gacce hakke deƴƴena mi wawa haalde. Nden si school o wawat wuurde, ko enen jibinaɓe ɓe e Kabada ko enen toppitto school o mo wona school. School wona maadi de, principal mono o memi ɗum ɗo seeɗa. O yimbo wona school mo gandanɗa hoore ma ko school ñeheteɗo ɗo janggoɓe moƴƴe keɓoto, kono janggoɓe moƴƴuɓe noon mbawa heɓo caggal si jibinaɓe ɓe ballani ɓe. Nden noon ngare ballen sukaɓe meɗen ɓe janga. Ngola en jahano ko woɗɗi. Joni school o ari ɗo si hikka septembre, si Allah jaɓi oppa beesigo, min ceerinan ɗum e lowa beesigo, school o wona oppa e senior secondary school. Onon noon poti wurrude school o, onon poti wallude school o. Laamu ɗum e MRC Holland Foundation wawa wadde fof de. Oɗon jogii ɓiɓɓe wonɓe caggal lesdi ɓe mballu min ha school o si foti darade mo waɗa exam mo wawa heɓde komo foti ko heɓde. On garino to regional office mbiɗon oɗon jiiɗi senior secondary school, mbimi on poti onon e tinne. Kono noon komi yi ko ɗo hande seeɗa en ɗeññina kam de, seeɗa mi ɗeñƴo e préparation. Kono Allah waɗi yimɓe hande yimɓeɓe arde on notima. Nden noon toppite school o, si korgue goto ɗofima ngare tawn paade laamu. town pade principal onon SMC committee yebte jahni don school o ko onon yi ko school o ko onon mahana gaay non ko ladde ala ko taari dum eto don to don ledde ne pour be mbaawa aynude school o taasi hendu ari mo do fata school o sodi yi neddo kadi ko mema ti solaaji do wodani frontière de dena heewi babaabe be do kewi mbahen be kala ko naati Casamance rek gas nden ngare onon fof gonon polisat ngay non ko jidon ko ha ko dum jinno men haala al barka Allah wat school barke once again Mr. Chair, may I also seize this opportunity to single out my former boss and mentor Mr. Omar Jata for mentoring me well. Mr. Jata, despite being a Jola. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, our able director. As a literature teacher, I always believe that our able director is so didactic in his speech. There is always moral lesson that I do learn. To share a brief story between me and him. There was a time when I lost my parent that I found it so difficult at the time. But then he served as the only solace to me in trying to comfort me. Not only that, but again also the manner, the fashion in which he talked to me, like a fatherly figure. I always tend to appreciate that, and I don't want to be an ingrate towards that. So thank you so much, our able director. And thank you once again, Madam Henrietta. Like I said, thanking you all day long we can. Because why? We do not want to be such a people that are not grateful towards this service. So thank you for giving us such a massive edifice. Thank you so much. Away from that, we have our poetry. We have our drama students. Still again on an entertainment. We want to have the students to perform a drama for us today. So you are welcome on stage. you. I don't want to talk about it, sir, but thank you. MISERA, thank you. We do not want to cut that short, but then again, time is not on our side. Thank you so much. MISERA, yeto babe MRC Holland ona marona di den bande ko schools feni darno de yalla nani ona yeto jallane. Thank you so much. And now we welcome the president of the Mothers Club, that is Aissatou Cissé. Now Aissatou Cissé. Yes, that was the Mothers Club president, Madam Henrietta. She's just saying that they are grateful again, once again. They are saying thank you. They've known that you have done your part. Now it's their turn to also do theirs. So thank you so much once again. Thank you. Yes, we still have a poetry performance. Can we still have them say poetry?
which says, have an idea behind origin. Meaning, if you are saying something, explain it clearly and meaningful.
I'm here to explain line 1 of my stanza, which says, do not accept half a solution. Accept only a complete idea, not a half idea. I am here to explain line first line of my I am here to explain the first line of my stanza, which says, if you accept that explain it bluntly, do not mix it. It means if you accept something, be clear about it. And if you refuse something, be clear about it. I'm here to explain line 3 of my stanza, which says, do not silence yourself to say something. It means talking without thinking critically may lead to make errors. It means think before you talk.
I'm here to explain line 4 of my stanza, which said, do not live half a life. It means, if you are living in a society, do not be a pretender. Be who you are and behave well.
Yes, thank you so much, our beautiful poets. Thank you so much. That was a wonderful poetry. Thank you. Thank you so much, our wonderful poets. Thank you. Mr. So, you've done great. Thank you so much. We were entertained. And also we flan too. Yes. I know people are in haste, yes, obviously. But then again, as a literature teacher, whenever I see poetry, I am moved. So, one of the poet made mention, that is in your line 3 of your stanza. I would like to put a didactic towards that. Yes. That there is this adage which says that one moment of silence saves you from 1,000 moments of regret. So whereas you think, yes, if you speak, you are going to cause trouble or whatsoever, then remain silent. Because that will save you. And aftermath, that is a regret that you are going to have at the end of that. So thank you. Away from that now, we have Madam Henrietta, but I'm changing your surname to Henrietta Jallo, not Henrietta Sonko, the National Coordinator of MRC Holland. Can we all give her a round of applause, please? Yes, Madam Henrietta Sonko, the National Coordinator of MRC Holland.
Assalamu alaikum. Baby ketonon mbade fi Allah surtout suka be kette ko halete ko mawbe won be do tiagale onon ne kette parce que ko halete ko media o bodu jepta son ketta gi tan wawata yalti non fotini fultirde on nani on namma kedile mbadane fi Allah kettono non nani ha min ko nyomi ngonmi de andi ñoominaaɓe mbi jaranaaɓe joƴaani ko ɗum ɓe kalta de min noon komi badim naajo ɗe ni no mbatto ni on coowata ɓe umati ha ketto ɗon coordinateur o ko haalta ko pour nafoore fof namma so keep quiet and listen ha I'm sure you would behave like good students. And you would behave like Nyominkas, not Jarankas, huh? Do you agree? So behave like Jarankas if you think that you are better than the Nyominkas. In Nyomi, they listen. I don't know in Jara. So thank you.
Hello? Hello? We were listening to the poets, the girls and boys from MISERA Upper Basic, and they were talking about half friend, and half friend is not good enough. You have to be full friend. Now what about half education? What do you say? Is half education good? No. We don't want half education. And that's why MISERA is now going to have a senior secondary school. We don't want half education. So if you go to MISERA Senior Secondary School, take it very seriously and make sure you get full education. Yeah? Now after when you finish grade 12, is that full education? What do you say? It's not. You still want more. Then you have to make sure you do very well, Miss Henrietta. You do very well in your grade 12 exam, because then, if you're lucky, you can get a scholarship from MRC Holland Foundation to go to university, or to go to GTTI, or to go to the School of Nursing, or to become a teacher, or a doctor, or a plumber, or an electrician. Then if you reach that, then you have full education. And that education will help you in your life. So make sure, Miss Henrietta, focus, and your colleagues, focus on your education and make sure you get full education. To be able to get full education, everybody has to help. And that's why I want to say thank you to the principal of the school. I want to say thank you to the teachers. I want to say thank you to the Mothers Club. I want to say thank you to the SMC. I want to say thank you to the Alicano and to the National Assembly member, because without the National Assembly member not going and fighting for your rights at the National Assembly, you may also not have full education. I also want to say thank you to the contractor who did a very beautiful job, both at this school and at the old school where he renovated the school. We are very proud of you and the beautiful job you did. I also want to say thank you to everybody, my whole team who works with me in the MRC Holland office, and to make sure that we don't only build the school, but you get your furniture, you get your water, you get your electricity, and you get everything you need. Please, can you put up your hands, everybody from our office? Yes, thank you very much. Last but not least, are you listening? Last but not least, I want to say thank you to our wonderful sponsors, which we are missing here today. They could not make it from Amsterdam to here for this opening, but they are with us here, and we are going to send them the pictures because they are very special people. They is a couple, a husband and a wife, and together they sponsored the construction of all these classrooms, all these schools. So it is not the United Nations and it's not the World Bank. No, it's not a country which provides support or a big NGO. No, these are two people who use their money to make sure you have full education. And after saying thank you to all of you, I hope in 3 years' time we'll be able to say thank you, students, for doing your best, and MISERA Senior Secondary School coming out on top of all the schools in the country. So I look forward to that moment, and for now I just end saying thank you to everybody.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Henrietta. Thank you so much. Yes, can we have a cultural dance by Penda and the group? Not Penda. And your group, your cultural dance, please. The floor is yours. Not Penda. conestay. Wallahi men weltima, everyone. Men fof men weltima, we are happy. Yes. The expression on the faces can relate. Yes. Madam Henrietta's face, our director's face can all relate that men weltima. Content talent. We are happy. Thank you, Madam Penda, Mayor Penda, and Jarama. Welita Safi. Yes. Now, Johnny Okindiren, please. We'd like to welcome our Honorable National Assembly member. That is Mr. Aliu Balde. Can we give him a round of applause? Yes, Mr. Balde, you're welcome.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I'm asked to give a vote of thanks, but I want to make a small statement before giving my vote of thanks because I am happy today. I have seen my sister dancing and I've never seen her dancing. The coordinator MRC Holland Foundation, the principal MISERA Basic Cycle School, the Regional Director of Education Modu G. Diallo, the Alcalo of MISERA and all the Alcalos of all the villages that are gathered here today, the SMC, the Mothers Club, the teachers, parents, and the contractor Bambo Jasi Bajamba Construction, and my senior brother Lamin Sedi, a board member of MRC Holland Foundation. Yes, I give you the board member today. All the staffs of MRC Holland Foundation, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. On behalf of my humble self and the entire citizens of Jara West constituency, and by extension the entire population of Lower River region, I rise to thank Almighty Allah and express profound gratitude to MRC Holland Foundation under the leadership of Henrietta Sonko. Today, we are living witness to the opening of this magnificent edifice. 2 beautiful buildings with 12 classrooms and a masterpiece structure to serve as residence for teachers who will serve at this senior secondary school. MRC Holland Foundation, in collaboration with the Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education, has upgraded the MISERA Basic Cycle School to a most welcome gift to the people of LRR. This is a remarkable contribution to the development of access to higher education in the Gambia. This is a significant milestone in the history of Kabada. Over the years, our children have to commute daily to Soma or to Mansakonko or find families to host them. We all know the implications and the associated challenges that parents and students face in that arrangement. I must hasten to acknowledge that when I approached the representative of MRC Holland Foundation, she quickly responded, advised and guided me to put the proposal to the MOPSI for approval. As a result, we do not only have a high school, but even the teachers will be put on government payroll. Give a resounding applause to Madam Henrietta Sonko and her team. And our team of contractors for these historic buildings. On behalf of our elders and parents, I urge all the youths of this region to make best use of this opportunity that has been brought to the doorstep of Kabada. All are invited and welcome with open hearts to grab this opportunity. Last but not the least, all this has been made possible as a result of the enabling environment ushered in by President Barrow's government. Under Barrow, the sky is the limit. I thank you all. I want to speak in fuller now to advise my parents, my colleagues, my brothers and my sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa seda. Kalbe be do foko idi ko hal woni kulle hebongo school mo wona ciuri di dan woni school. Ciuri di darne ko tan wona on don woni school. Mi halma do kalbe non ditim kalma wona dara ko ciuri di dan woni school. Enen mbata school mo o wura. Ciuri di dan darne non tan gona non ta di dañta student ji dañi hoore dum nawata men yeso on non den ko dum liggey enen fof mbaden feere school mo o wona school en gono mbiya dabboy go gaydiyan walla yimbe teppo hande do e soma be jaabe jangoya from grade 10 ha grade 12 hande non en kemma ko do potten waaw jangu joni bom ko enen jippinta yimbe wada cubir si modo school mo barkini waɗen mbaɗɗe cuus mo school immo dulaje ɗo ha makati ha base hay banjulɗen mbawi jippindo ta ko garɓe janggugo siko tawma jangde nde nde waɗi sérieux eɓe bandata jangde nde ha waɗa fayida ko enen e koye men nden miɗo tori mawɓe ɓe gaccen sukaɓe janga ballen sukaɓe janga school mo si wonma classe uji ɗi ɗo wona ko weyɗi ko ren darte ko yo wat yimɓeɓe gadde ɓe jangda jangde nafonde ɓe bimbi jango goto fof wawa heddo nangi renta e development leydi ndi kono si won man cuuɗi ɗi darim en ngala ngaroɓe on ɗon ta ɗum wona ko hawri sabuna on ɗon okkuno kam e caɗele ne nde ɗaɓɓanmi kulle school mo wiye nda ko ɗum wawata won sabuna en ngala nomba mbawo on wat joni noon heddimi men dagoɗen jogui nomba mo nda en ngala nomba mo teɗen jogui nomba mo sabuna kaɓaɗa fof ala senior secondary school ko moɗo senior secondary school tan wondo nden tinnoɗen sukaɓe gadde ɓe janga mbaɗen feere school mo o wona school no jarate ni school aji janani to yo moɗo school o wurir noon oɗo ko enen popana gonɗi mbiɗa ɗum tori mawɓe school mo ɓe kalma ɗo ko enen toppitto school mo o wona mbaɗiɗo fence kala ko yakkiɗo wota wiye ko MRC arta moynitana men ɓe moydan men man ɓe tottumen ma ko jagui ɓe mbatma foof en jarnumɓe heɗen ɓe duwano kono kala ko yakkiɗo mbawen andu enen ne yo tawɗen ɗum mbawi moyde ta wona dargo ɗum ɗon tan ɗum yakko on ɗon wona haaju si a moynanam hunde ko an toppito ɗum nda ɗum wawa ɓooye kono hunde hesare foof si ɗum woppama ɗum toppitaka nan ɗum wonat ko naywita ɗum yakkoto nden school mo siko sengeya kala ko foti ɗo yakko yo en gandu ko enen jiiɗum ko enen gaddana ɗum ko enen poti ɗum moyde nden noon toppitoro ɗum ɗon poɗɗen ɗum ni toppitoro nda jangde nde wawaya yeeso miɗo duwano MRC Holland Foundation miɗo duwano staff ji mako ɗi fof miɗo duwano contract mo Bambo Diasi de ko no wonma liggey beso ko neɗɗo moƴƴo e MRC Holland Foundation noon mi wima e ambassador mako mo 2 weeks back in parliament she come with her ambassador in parliament. I told the ambassador this lady is a gift to Gambia. She was with the ambassador in parliament. I approached them and I told the ambassador, Gambia is a lucky country that we have Madam Henrietta Sonko in this country. Because today, wherever you go, you have teachers' quarters and very beautiful structures that students can learn. So we are praying for her for better health and long life. Midamon Salmina, Midamon Yeta. They said, I should thank you, and I am thanking you, praying for you every both day and night. I'm praying for you. May Allah give you success. May Allah give you good health. Where the money is from, may Allah multiply more and more so that you can do many of this. We are so proud of you, and we are praying for you. Say Amin both day and night. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Yes, thank you. Our Honorable Mr. Aliu Balde. I wouldn't want to say much on that because Mr. Henrietta had it loud and clear. So I wouldn't want to go to more on that place. So once again, we are saying thank you. That's all we can say all day long. Thank you. Yes. Away from that, before we head on to the last guidelines of our program, we'd like to welcome Mr. Sirif Ba of the SMC. Yes, can we give him a round of applause, please?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Memolu be kontona. Momo itoni kondo wala ani bora damento. Be Holland Foundation molu kontona baake. Nye tendu fanan nye jay. Kadu ye do kunyima menke kabadan koliye. Nye menke banko beye. Imam karamungolo pour kabada damaye. Ye karamungolo mobe banko be komi ikatama banko kanyame karamungo nying alota kabadale bari alota le pour Gambia be Gambia dingo be dawoda ni ala sonda ibenala jang ye karanjang katumbe duala dua menye wala mu dua nyin digo karamungo nying asi Gambia be develop no nyane den no molu men ala fulan dilan jagang be kondona be jeyla be nimbarala aning be manza kunda fanan nimbarala kadu nyin karamugo meta ko nyinila ngani fo nyinan ala kidida Holland Foundation nin ko di jama nata ye nyin karamugo lo kabana jang woto womu ala tendu baleti ngamolu be tendu ngey jay coming alialo nyame karamugo be nyame sayin kabar aliye karamungo sodo de aliye karamungo sodo bungo nyinyata bari ali kana bungo tuje dorong ali mantara karawola ndali daga ke nyame ali kana ogede alfalu dum ni yaje karamungo tuma mune ba sambara nyato wala mo nyindi ko bere sinkiri samo wala ka samba nyato wala mu student dindingo membe karangola anin ti jambe karandiola anin alfa me dindingo nyingulu wolu belen nyanta lola isintan tani sabola yelo kendeke ila dindingo dum niya samba karamungo to kana tuje wadi nyanta fulana karamungo la yefuta tijala bari ye karam dindingo dundi karamungo abe karangola ide malo ngari ala tijamu mune jumale wo manyana kela adun me wa advice dila alfa nyanta lola le ibe lore ndu nyame yete ibe lore sai fatambi wola ay be manza kunda fanan nimbarala kadu niyaje karamugo lota ala ning isollem me honorable Aliou Balde fanan kontonna be direct ko fanan kontolla kadu niyaje karamugo lota alota nyama ayele da sai adelem direct ko membe jang me danila karamugo me la firi nyinale ko hani banjulu mo si bono je ayena jang mune be wakela ti jalu menu be tarala jang be karadilo kela nyama ni pass be ya doro ibaje la ko banko be tarala be karana jang wala tunan ko amma karamu be lori kabada bari manke kabada damala karamu ngoti ni adara pass be yata mo be bola hani base kana karamu jang mo be bola banjulu kana karamu ke jang woto na al nimbara Holland Foundation thank you very much Holland Foundation al nimbara bage ali do ko ni manke al tol fan ni ala sonda al fan fanan be dini wol tundila adum be sabatindila yetara karamu wodo yetara karamu wala al nimbara bage enen kala nan menen torobe be enen dalna be school mo yo en nangu suka men de wala nanu suka school tawa suka mo hay ti jama ko anda no wite si anda nun suka school ya school do la mo yilo hala la sumo la sumo janga be suka men jango be bimbi en jogo non di leydi be kala ne do yo wibido mo wono ida president wono ida vice president wono ida ministre wono ida teacher wono ida doctor kono ko buranto teacher to suka mo ato pidagi mo alaramo anda ti jama ko mo hawrala ma yo en makiro suka men be fo ganden ti jaabe mabbe en dino school aji mo school nangule non ko jagi Gambia fo na toran on jaram thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sirepa. Like I said, Madam Henrietta, it's a thanking all day long. Yes, so this is all we got because we are grateful. So we will not want to add anything on top of that to avoid mere exaggerations. But then again, by the DJ that he has something for the principal. For the principal and then the staff of MISERA Basic Cycle. But again, we like to, on top of that, we like to acknowledge our former principal, Mr. Fai. Thank you so much. We would like to acknowledge your presence and then thank you for your coming. DJ. Yes, this is for the principal and the staff of MISERA Basic Cycle. DJ, what do you know Hawaii?
The baddest DJ out of Delta sound system.
Mr. Baji. Arahakune. Waden Hasafa, Arahakune. Yes. Please, only the teachers, please. Only the teachers, please. Yes, safite weli. Ga affaire mo safite weli, sabna nehna. Bu fi yamon fi samone. Bana, thank you. Yes, now we have You're now heading to the cutting of the ribbon. Yes, please, students.
Also, everyone here, can you help out with this path, please? Please. Yes. We are now heading to the last itinerary of the program. That is the cutting of the ribbon. Yes, teachers and students, can we clear this path, please? Can we clear this path, please? We are now headed to the cutting of the ribbon. Yes, please. That comes to the end of our program. We are grateful, everyone. The presence of everyone is acknowledged, from the principals of area schools. The principals of area schools, parents, staff, and everyone here. Your presence has been acknowledged. Thank you. We are now headed to the cutting of the ribbon.
Yi fii la ko fix fixal ñaari yi yeah.